Hi everyone, this is attorney Lillian and I am here today with your Tuesday tip. So when it comes to this, what you can do is a service request. So you can go on the USCIS website and do an e-request. So if your case is outside of normal processing time, you can do an e-request to basically say, excuse me, I'm still waiting, nothing has happened in my case, and it's outside of the normal processing time, what's going on? USCIS will respond to you as long as it's outside of the normal processing time. They will respond to you and tell you, we're going to make a decision soon, or, we're doing some background checks and that's why we haven't made a decision yet, but they will give you some form of response, right? If there are any reasons that an expedite may be appropriate in your case, then I suggest doing also doing an expedite request. Okay, so what can you do? You can do a service request if it's outside of normal processing time, and you can do that right on the USCIS website. And if there's any emergency, humanitarian reason, financial hardship, things like that, you can also ask for an expedite request. There, you can make an expedite request. However, it has to fit into one of the categories that USCIS accepts for expedite requests. That's really the main thing, is if it doesn't fit into these categories, they're not going to actually approve the expedite. So financial hardship, humanitarian, emergency, right? Those are really the ones that people are able to fit into. So in your situation, being pregnant on its own may not be enough for an officer to approve it. However, if you are able to tie the pregnancy to a financial hardship, so if you're not able to work, if let's say your doctor says, hey, you're not able to actually, you're going to be on bed rest, right? That's a financial hardship because now you can't work. Now you need your fiance to get here sooner rather than later to not only help you going through childbirth, but also financially in the process. So you just have to make sure, can you use your pregnancy? Yes. However, you have to make sure that it still fits within the categories that the immigration officers like to see. If your case is still at the I-129F stage with USCIS, just know your expedite request is going to be to USCIS. If it's already at the K-1 visa stage with the embassy, your expedite request has to go to the embassy. So that's the key here. Because again, most of these, if the person you're filing for is outside of the US, it's going to be a two-part process. So the first part is with USCIS, the second part with the embassy. And if you expedite the first part, you need to also expedite the second part because the USCIS expedite does not transfer to the embassy. Okay, so that is your tip for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it. If you know someone who needs to hear this, go ahead and share the video with them. If you like what I'm talking about, like the video. And if you're watching in a place that you can subscribe and you do not want to miss any of my uploads, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I am Lillian Chukura. I am the lawyer and owner of Lillylegal, where we help our clients get status for themselves and for their family using the U.S. immigration law system. Thank you. Bye.